Welcome to the Cell Biology Multiple Choice Questions. Which of the following is considered the basic unit of life? Atom, molecule, tissue, cell. Answer: 4. Cell. What is the primary function of ribosomes in a cell? Energy production, protein synthesis, DNA replication, waste disposal. Answer: 2. Protein synthesis. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Nucleus, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum. Answer: 3. Mitochondria. In which part of the cell does the Krebs cycle take place? Cytoplasm, ribosome, nucleus, mitochondrial matrix. Answer: 4. Mitochondrial matrix. What is the main difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells? Presence of a cell wall, presence of a plasma membrane, presence of DNA, presence of membrane-bound organelles. Answer: 4. Presence of membrane-bound organelles. Which structure controls the movement of substances in and out of a cell? Cell wall, nucleus, cytoplasm, plasma membrane. Answer: 4. Plasma membrane. Which of the following organelles is involved in the synthesis of lipids? Rough endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Answer: 4. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. What is the function of lysosomes in animal cells? Digesting cellular waste, cellular respiration, photosynthesis, protein synthesis. Answer: 1. Digesting cellular waste. Chloroplasts are found in which type of cells? Animal cells, plant cells, fungal cells, bacterial cells. Answer: 2. Plant cells. The genetic material of a eukaryotic cell is contained within which organelle? Ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, mitochondrion. Answer: 3. Nucleus.